sharing you my second episode of HSP. Started with a breakout, pimple as I thought. Then, went on a field trip, medyo naarawan. And then, pag uwi kinabukasan, nagkaroon ng maraming rash all over the body. Even sa kasingit-singitan ng katawan ko, meron. As you can see. Yan, buong katawan meron. Akala ko allergy lang. But then, medyo hindi na siya maganda. Sobrang visible and nakakahiya na. So, I consult my doctor and nirefer din ako sa infectious disease and advised to have a skin biopsy. This is also part of my HSP journey, a rare autoimmune disease. So I hope makarecover soonest. This happened last year, March to April 2023.